A low-carb nutrition is the most suitable option if you wish to reduce weight briefly. It's wholesome and a really perfect approach to have compatibility. This nutrition can cut back your possibility of diabetes, middle sicknesses, and likewise permit you to take care of your frame weight. It could possibly additionally strengthen your cognitive skills. Consistent with an analysis at Ohio State College, a low-carb nutrition can have advantages for folks susceptible to growing kind 2 diabetes even though they don't lose any weight. The magazine of Medical Investigation Perception revealed this find out about. However, following a low-carb nutrition for lengthy could also be an issue. It's because the general public have carbs as a staple of their nutrition. In case you keep away from meals you've got frequently out of your nutrition, it will not be imaginable so that you can maintain the nutrition plan for a very long time. It is for that reason that we have compiled a plan to help you keep on the right track along with your low-carb nutrition. Allow us to check out how you'll do it. Drink a large number of water. Whilst you all of a sudden bring to an end carbs out of your nutrition, you might face the issue of dehydration. To counter this, you want to drink extra water. It's going to additionally provide you with extra power that you simply differently get from carbs. Have a minimum of 3 liters of water on a daily basis. Keep away from consuming while you aren't hungry. You will get unexpected cravings. Keep away from giving in to temptations. Consume your fill at meal occasions and don't achieve for snacks while you aren't hungry. Maximum snacks comprise carbs and you will finally end up making the fallacious selection. As a substitute, consume extra submitting meals that may fill you up for longer. Upload quite a lot of greens in your nutrition. Consume quite a lot of greens. If truth be told, heap your plate with it. Those are wealthy in nutrients and minerals and really filling. Your frame's requirement of carbs will come from those veggies. Consume wholesome fat. Upload avocado and nuts in your nutrition. You'll be able to snack on almonds and walnuts. It's going to stay you complete and those comprise wholesome fat. Have extra of fatty fish to spice up power ranges.